Because that is the time that the police officer, then I remember one police officer, alikuwa anaitwa Kilonzo, was the PPO, Nairobi PPO. Akatangaza, akasema Waruinge is armed and dangerous. So, statement hiyo kutoa statement, unajua anasema nini? Shoot to on kill. Sight.
No negotiation.
No, he is armed and he is dangerous. So who will go and arrest you? Is mean kill him. Another statement that was more dangerous for me is when the former internal security minister, after they were the first internal security minister Kibaki, immediately he was selected as a minister. His first ministerial statement was shoot Waruinge on site. Na akapatiana 40 million.
Ni Murungaru.
Ni Murungaru, Christopher.
Yes.
Asema shoot Waruinge on site. Remember these guys, tulikuwa tunafanya na wao, tukiwa tunasaidia opposition when we were Mungiki, tulikuwa goons wao. Hii Goon haikuanza jana. Tulikuwa goons wao.
Yes.
Tuliwasaidia wakapata positions. Lakini immediately they got positions, they dumped us. And that is why I normally keep advising the upcoming goons. Don't allow anybody to use you. Because at the end of after you finish the job, they will come and kill you. Murungano akatoa hiyo shoot to kill order. And nikatorokea nikaenda Tanzania, became a refugee. Kutoka hapo nikaenda Mozambique, kutoka Mozambique nikaenda Durban. Natoroka tu because life is unbearable. And you have to make lives work. You have to join other groups huko ya wakora ndio msurvive. Mwende mkaibe mabanki huko, mkafanya vitu nyingi. Tukaiba Tanzania, tukaenda Mozambique, tukaenda Durban, we did the same, tukaenda Namibia. We were moving.
Wewe unaenda mbali. Hapa Nairobi, when the order comes,
yes.
How do you get out of the city?
That's what I'm trying to explain to you. How you just, ukitoroka nje, it takes you far and far and far in a dangerous place because you have to survive. You just, ujui kama utaenda upigwa marisasi uko kufe.